Alright guys, welcome to this brand new video. Are you living in Lagos or you're planning to move to Lagos? I discovered 7 businesses you can start right now in Lagos and make a killing. Now, if you're ready to tap into the dynamic and thriving business opportunity in Lagos, Nigeria, with the bustling population, with vibrant economy, and with the status of Africa's new startup capital, then Lagos presents you with a wealth opportunity that you can literally begin to tap as soon as possible. Let's into this video where I will show you 7 businesses you can start right now in Lagos and start making money right away. Now, as we talk about these businesses, but I need to let you know there are some key factors that makes Lagos a very lucrative place to start business. And number 1 is the fact that Lagos has a vibrant economy with a population of over 15 million people. I can tell you for free, that is about 3 size of some African nations, right? Number 2 is that Lagos has emerged as the African startup capital. Literally, you can start business in Lagos and it will do well because of the population and also the ecosystem of technology that is springing up every single day in Lagos. And then do you know that Lagos contributes about 10% of the Nigeria's total GDP, which stands at an impressive $432.3 billion. Literally, you get that from Lagos only. So with that out of the way, let's talk about 7 businesses you can start in Lagos right now. Lagos is a promising ecosystem for business to thrive. Now, here are 7 businesses you can go into in Lagos. We are going to consider the reasons and we are going to consider relevant data to back our claim up. Business number 1 that you can start in Lagos right now as we speak is you to start an Uber business. Yes, I know what you are thinking about. Yes, literally, you can start an Uber business. Why didn't you start an Uber business? Yes, for the fact that Lagos boasts of over 40 million people, making it an ideal market for ride-hailing services. So, which means that you cannot be in Lagos and not have somebody to carry if you are an Uber driver, right? People are all over the place looking for driver, looking for cab, looking for taxis to take them from one destination to another. Coupled with the fact that you have a lot of traffic, trust me, you will need somebody to take you from one place to another in Lagos. Now, the demand of high-quality taxi services remains high as many people flock into Lagos every single day. From every part of the country, from Kaduna, from Abuja, from Benin City, from Port Harcourt, people keep trooping into Lagos, right? And because of that, you need car, you need taxi to take them from one place to another, and that makes it a very lucrative business to start in Lagos. Business number 1. Let's look at business number 2. All right, so what business can you do? Business you can start in Lagos number 2. It's a very lucrative business in Lagos right now due to the fact that buying and selling of gold and other precious metals constitutes a multi-billion-dollar industry in Lagos. Let me tell you why. Now, high-quality jewelries, especially gold, attract customers seeking for wedding presents, luxurious items. You know, Lagos now, people are into big things, so everybody wants to show off, and this business of selling jewelry is doing very, very well. Now, Lagos is a major trading center for gold and jewelry, with the wealthy people driving the most of the trade. So people who have money are the people you want to be doing business with, right? You want to be selling goods to people who have money to pay. And because people are looking for gold and precious metals, usually are rich people. So that makes it a very lucrative business you can start right now in Lagos. And you can make a killing. Plus the fact that you have a lot of celebrity, right? Celebrity all over Nigeria converge in Lagos, right? Lagos is like their shrine. It's where they go for pilgrimage. So it is just obvious that if you start selling jewelry in Lagos, you will have a lot of customers who recognize you in Lagos. What is business number 3? Business number 3 is very important because of the influx of people into Lagos, and that is real estate development. If you are a real estate developer, then business number 3 is something you should look into. Even if you are not into real estate, right? You can start to learn how to make money in the real estate industry. Now, Lagos faces a housing challenge due to its massive daily influx of people from every nook and cranny of Africa, not just Nigeria. People are coming into Lagos every single day for different types of business, for dealing, for music, for agriculture, for real estate, for banking and finance. So literally, Lagos is a business hub in Africa. So you expect people to come into the city every single time. That is why real estate development addresses this need and offer a substantial returns on investment if you choose to go into this business. Now, the real estate sector in Lagos is very, very robust and is driven by the growth and urbanization that is currently happening. People are leaving their villages, people are leaving their hometown to Lagos to come and establish in Lagos, to come and start business in Lagos. And that is why Lagos is a lucrative city to start a real estate development business. Business number 4. Now, when it comes to business number 4, no, you can't argue because, like I said, Lagos is number 1 place right now. Lagos hosts numerous tech startups, right? Most of the tech startups that you see in Africa, a lot of them have their headquarters in Lagos. Tech startup, the next business you need to look into if you are staying in Lagos, especially if you have any of the technical or technology skill. Right, you are a coder or you are somebody who understands the marketing and the sales of tech gadgets, or you know how to manage, you are a human resource expert, then you can go into tech startup, right? So tech startup, particularly in the Yaba area, the city's tech ecosystem is thriving, attracting investors and entrepreneurs all over the world. Statistically, Lagos ranks as Africa's new startup capital, surpassing Nairobi, Cape Town, and Johannesburg in attractiveness for startups. People literally leave other parts of Africa to come and start tech startups in Lagos. That's because the city is booming. A lot of people are there, over 15 million people. And what do you expect? People patronize, and you have youth. You have a lot of people who love to use gadgets, who love to use phones, who love to be involved with technology. So they are patronizing the ecosystem that is currently thriving in Lagos, especially in the Yaba area. Let's look at business number 5 you need to go into if you are in Lagos. This business is basically what Lagosians are known for, right? Because of the fact that Lagos is a party city. Like, have you heard about the song? There's no party like a Lagos party, because the Lagos party, we don't bother nobody. All right, so let's look at number 5. Business you can go into in number 5 is catering service, because Lagosians like to party. They love food, and you can't go into a Lagos party without eating food. It's like a ritual. Food must be there. That is why you need to start a catering service, right? So that you can cater for events, for parties, and for corporate gatherings, like weddings, like function. Any kind of event in Lagos involves food. Don't try to have an event in Lagos where people are there and you don't have food to offer. Food is one thing that you need to offer. Statistically, the demand for catering service remains constantly high due to the city bustling social scenes. Every place you go in Lagos, you have people having a party. It can be burial, it can be marriage, it can be wedding, it can be any type of function. People are always partying in the city of Lagos. That's why you need to start a catering business, especially if you have the ability to cook good food. Or you know somebody who can perfect food, then why not? Go into it. It is something you can make huge amount of money for. Business number 6. Now, business number 6 is mobile phone vending. Now, people living in Lagos are tech savvy, right? And almost everybody in Lagos understand how to use phone, technology, gadgets. That is why mobile phones are essential. So if you can be selling mobile phones, accessories, any type of accessory, mobile phone is sell power pack, sell charger, sell power bank, all this stuff, you can just be selling and making money in Lagos as a mobile phone vendor. You can sell the accessories that comes with mobile phone as well. This is by far one of the top lucrative business you can find in Lagos. Every nook and cranny, people are going into it, and the demand keeps going high every single day. Why? Because people love to use phone, right? People love to use phone. The vibrant, beautiful nature of Lagos and the fact that most of these guys are technologically inclined. So that makes mobile phone vending a lucrative business to go into if you are in Lagos or you are planning to move to Lagos. Business number 7. Business number 7 to do in Lagos right now is event organizing. Like I said, party, events, functions in Lagos is number 1 stop that people cannot do without. Lagos hosts numerous, from wedding to corporate conference, events organizers in Lagos are in high demand. Literally, you can see event organizers that are selling every month. Like, you can even go and try to book them. They are completely booked. You can literally see organizers that are always booked every week in Lagos. They are completely booked. You will go and they will tell you, we are booked from now to the next 6 months. We already have events that we will cater for. That is how lucrative event planning and organizing in Lagos is. So the event industry in Lagos continues to grow, creating multiple opportunities for event planners. If you know how to do event planning, you're good. Somebody can employ you, or you can start your own event organization where you can cater for people who want to organize their event. You help them to organize a particular event. They pay you for it. You have a fantastic business, you grow it, you come and employ me, and we grow it together. So these businesses from number 1 to number 7 are businesses that you can start right now in Lagos. Uber business. Business number 2 is jewelry business. People are looking for high quality jewelry that they can buy from you that is not fake. Musicians, actors, they are all looking for this where they can showcase. Some of them are buying it for investment. You can go into real estate because of the housing crisis in Lagos. So many people trooping into Lagos, but there is no enough house to cater for these guys. You can go into real estate. You can go into the tech startup. Lagos is the capital of tech startup right now in Africa. So the business is growing, something you can consider as well. Right? Catering service. People like food, people like party. Provide them with delicious food and they will be booking you one party after another. Number 6 is mobile vending. We have a lot of phones. People have gadgets. Phones, iPad, iPhone, all the China phones then. Every type of phone. People are using phone. They need somebody to keep selling to them or to be selling phone accessories to them so that they can fix their spoiled phone. They can get pouch, they can get charger, they can get power bank, all the accessories they need for their phones. Number 7 is you becoming an event planner, right? Have an event planning organization where you help people plan their events. Every time in Lagos, we have party back to back. People who can plan good events are in high demand in Lagos. Do one of these 7 businesses and you make it big time in Lagos. Now remember, your success in any business requires thorough research, planning, and adaptability. Some of these businesses you can start right now. You might not just start making it right, but you need to understand that business involves planning. That is why I'm inviting you to join my research community where we go through research. I give you the tools on how to do proper research for business you want to start, how to start these businesses, where to go and do your competitive analysis, and how to start and grow your business. You can check the link below and join my research community so that you can start your business and also grow your business. So with that out of the way, if you want to learn how to do effective research, watch the next video on how to do research and start researching about business to start and do it now. See you in the next video. Ciao.